What's up, YouTube? Today I got a new product. It's basically one of those dermal skin thing. In my description there will be a link and where to buy. Basically it comes with two. You have one and you have a second one. And also it comes with the vitamin C. Okay. Basically you add the vitamin C to your face and then you do the roller 4 to 5 times in different directions. As you can see, right here is the directions and the things. And remember not to share. That's what you get too. It's only for personal use. Then if you have a wound, do not use it. Irritation, stuff like that, please don't let your kids touch it. So that said, I'm going to show you what it looks like. It comes in a little package like this, sealed. Get it out. It has 540 needles. Alright? Before anything, you make sure you'll clean it with alcohol. As you can see, these are the directions. And it said, please choose a suitable size. Please sterilize the roller in the nursing part with alcohol. Then basically you add your lotion and you roll front and back 5 times in the area you want to do it. 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's basically it. Then you add your lotion or you add your vitamin C or you can add a mask. It's up to you. It's supposed to help out your skin, make it look healthier. Like I said, in my description there will be a link where to buy. If you have any comments, let me know. I usually get back to you quickly. Well, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.